Hi, my name is Chris Ponticello. I'm a third-year veterinary student here at NC State. My summer research project is involving with canine spinal surgery. And basically what we are doing here is we are looking to create a more effective way of stabilizing the spine. The big problem with this surgery is that we have to drill a hole in the vertebrae. And it's no question that power tools and small little bony structures and things like the spinal cord and vertebral artery, they don't really get along. And a lot of the time when we drill the hole in the vertebrae, we only have about a 2 to 4 millimeter window of space that we can safely drill one of these holes. Now, basically what essentially this all boils down to is if I was to ask you to draw a line between 2 points with a pencil freehand, it is difficult to do, but if I were to give you a ruler to line up those points and then use the ruler as a guide to draw that line, the task becomes a lot easier. So what my project is aiming to do is we are going to use the capabilities of 3D printing, and it's a collaborative effort between us here at the vet school and the Center of Engineering of Additive Manufacturing on Centennial Campus. And basically what we're doing is we are creating these little drill guides that sit on top of the vertebrae surface and basically constrain that drilling trajectory that I was talking about to give the surgeon the best chance of safely drilling into that small space. My role in this study was that I was kind of the bridge between the vet school and the engineering lab of where I would go over the surgery with Dr. Marani for the specific patient. And we would design these drilling trajectories, and I would then create these on my computer using a software and then hand it over to the engineers. The end goal is that we eventually bring our own 3D printer here to the hospital. And a lot of my study is working out which printer and material is the most feasible to use in our hospital and use this daily in the patients.